Namaste. After an amazing series of workshops last year in November, I am delighted to announce the second big set of events in Santiago, Chile, between March 7 and March 19 this year. We'll start up the workshops on March 7 with the most important workshop on this planet, given by Dramvalo Melchizedek, the Awakening the Illuminated Heart workshop. It is a special spiritual workshop where you are going to have a powerful healing. You are going to travel from the brain to the heart, and you are going to activate your light body, the Merkaba. You are going to activate also your third eye, and the very important part of the workshop is dedicated to creation process. You are going to learn to create from the heart, not from the brain. So all your acts are going to resonate with the universal law of unconditional love. Then on March 12 and March 13, we are going to continue with one of the most important workshops that is given to humanity nowadays. Being part of the School of the Heart, Journeys into the Heart, the Inner Path workshop is based on a series of experiences of great masters and great mystics from all over the world since the inception of the human race. The workshop has some very important exercises and meditation, like Tibetan 108 Ohms healing, reconnection with Mother Earth, Father Universe and Higher Self, the Torus of the Heart meditation, the Intuitive Way meditation, the breathing meditation. The benefits of doing this workshop are huge. You will do a healing of the belief patterns and emotional trauma. You will realign with the new vibration of Mother Earth. And you are going to have 2 days of heart meditation. You will learn what method is the best just for you. You will learn to forgive yourself and your trespassers for old conflicts of this life or previous lives. You will learn to live from your heart. And finally, you will learn to be a citizen of the universe and deal with all earth issues from the cosmic unconditional love perspective. Right after this workshop, we are going to have 2 days of teacher training. So those of you who are feeling the call of teaching this amazing heart meditation and exercises, you can join Journeys into the Heart, the Inner Path teacher training that will take place on March 14 and 15 in Santiago. The next event is something really special. Already all over the world, the spiritual schools are practicing the heart imagery exercises from one of my books that has the same title, Heart Imagery. Heart Imagery is the most ancient system that comes from the ancient Tibetan, Sumerian and Vedic spiritual mystery schools, right? Heart Imagery teaches you how to balance your mental, emotional, and physical bodies and harmonizes your energy. These techniques are essential in order to understand better the Mother Earth powerful energy, especially after December 21st, 2012. Heart Imagery is the most important system that one can apply now, today, during these auspicious times of Earth history. Unlike other spiritual systems, Heart Imagery utilizes the unique capacity of every human being to reach enlightenment freedom from the illusion of the ego created by the mind. So on March 16, 17, 2019, I'm going to teach Heart Imagery, Cleaning the Past. This is a 2 days workshop, 16 and 17 March, where you will learn how to practice Heart Imagery techniques. And we are going to practice more than 20 different exercises. Part of this workshop is also going to be dreaming session of learning how to understand and work with dreaming body. Also, how to clean your dreams and much more. I also love another topic of this workshop, reversing a sickness. It is a must-do workshop for anybody who wants to increase the level of consciousness and understand different realities. And finally, we are going to have the teacher training for Heart Imagery, Cleaning the Past. This workshop can be done as a public workshop. or in one-to-one session, or in schools, university, even on business trainings. I have taught this workshop in some big companies all over the world, and the effect is incredible amongst all the participants. You might also have some Kriya Yoga sessions if people are asking for it in Santiago. So you are all welcome to enjoy this amazing series of workshops in Santiago, Chile, between March 7 and March 19. Namaste and much love to all of you.